Have you ever wondered about the mysteries that Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, holds? Let's embark on a journey to this intriguing celestial body, an elusive ice giant that beckons us with its enigma. Uranus, a gaseous behemoth, is shrouded in a complex layered cloud structure, making it a subject of endless fascination for astronomers worldwide. As we traverse through the solar system, past the fiery furnace of the Sun, beyond the rocky terrain of Mars, we encounter Uranus, a world of icy cold mysteries. It's here, amidst the gaseous giants, that Uranus claims its fame. It holds the record for the lowest minimum temperature of all the planets in our solar system, making it a literal cool character. So that's the first fact about Uranus. It's an ice giant with the coldest temperatures in the solar system. Did you know Uranus behaves quite differently from other planets in its rotation? Yes, indeed it does. Uranus has a unique character trait that sets it apart in our solar system. Its marked axial tilt and retrograde rotation. Unlike most planets that spin on an axis similar to a spinning top, Uranus spins on its side. This dramatic tilt, almost 90 degrees off from vertical, is unlike anything else we see in the solar system. Now this isn't just for show. This tilt has significant implications. For one, it results in periods of continuous sunlight and darkness at its poles. Imagine having 21 years of sunlight followed by 21 years of darkness. That's a day and night cycle that's hard to fathom, isn't it? This tilt also creates extreme seasonal variations. When one pole is pointed towards the sun, it experiences a long, intense summer, while the other endures a prolonged, dark winter. So, when we think of Uranus, we can picture a planet that dances to its own beat, spinning on a unique axis and experiencing seasons like no other. That's our second fact. Uranus has a unique axial tilt that results in extreme seasons. Ever thought about how big Uranus really is? Well, let's delve into the enormity of this celestial body. Uranus is a massive planet, both in terms of diameter and mass. In the grand lineup of our solar system's planets, Uranus proudly holds the title of the third largest in diameter. Imagine a sphere about 4 times wider than our home planet, Earth. That's the impressive scale we're talking about here. But it's not just diameter where Uranus stands out. When it comes to mass, this ice giant doesn't disappoint either. Weighing in as the 4th largest planet, Uranus holds a remarkable amount of matter within its gaseous layers. Yet it's worth noting that despite its size, Uranus is lighter than you might expect for its size. This is due to its composition, made up largely of ices and gases rather than heavier rocky materials. In the grandeur of the cosmos, Uranus holds its own, proving size truly does matter in the astronomical arena. So our third fact is, Uranus is one of the largest planets in our solar system. What do you think Uranus's atmosphere is made up of? Well, it's quite the cocktail of elements featuring a mix of water, ammonia, methane, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Each of these components contributes to the planet's intriguing atmospheric conditions. The water, ammonia, and methane create a complex layered cloud structure, painting a picture of a gaseous world enveloped by swirling mists and ethereal clouds. These clouds are not just for show though. They play a crucial role in creating the planet's frigid temperatures, which are the lowest minimum temperatures of any planet in the solar system. But what makes Uranus's atmosphere truly enigmatic are the unexplained climate phenomena it exhibits. High wind speeds that would make our hurricanes seem like a gentle breeze, and erratic cloud formations that appear and disappear in an unpredictable ballet. And all of these elements combined create a planet that is far from static. Its atmosphere is a dynamic, ever-changing vista of clouds and winds, a world in constant flux. This brings us to our fourth fact. Uranus has a mysterious atmosphere with erratic weather patterns. And finally, who discovered Uranus and have we ever visited it? A question that takes us back to the late 18th century. The discovery of Uranus is credited to Sir William Herschel, a German-born British astronomer. In the year 1781, Herschel chanced upon this remote ice giant, marking it as the first planet to be discovered using a telescope. Fast forward to the space age and we have the Voyager 2 probe, which in 1986 embarked on an audacious journey to the outer realms of our solar system. It remains the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus up close, capturing unprecedented data and images of this enigmatic world. Yet the mysteries of Uranus continue to entice us. In the quest for deeper understanding, there have been proposals for a dedicated Uranus orbiter and probe mission. This looming plan underlines our persistent curiosity and the desire to revisit the 7th planet from the Sun. And our fifth fact, Uranus was discovered in 1781 and has been visited up close only once. So, how about a quick recap? Uranus, a mysterious ice giant with a unique axial tilt, is the third largest planet in diameter. Its atmosphere, filled with unexplained phenomena, is as enigmatic as its discovery and exploration. And there you have it, 5 fascinating facts about the enigmatic planet Uranus.